Morning, how's everybody? We're back with the review of the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, big day for the markets today, big day for the financial world. The Federal Reserve meeting is going to conclude later this evening, and we are going to have a rate cut decision from the Federal Reserve at 7 p.m. UK time and 2 p.m. New York time. While the rate cut is also still an open question, still debatable. What's more concerning for the investors is the dot plot, which essentially means how many rate cuts the Federal Reserve is going to project for the next year. The market is expecting three rate cuts, and any variation from that could lead to serious volatility in the market. So, big day for the markets today. First, whether they're even going to get a rate cut. Already, the global bond yields are hitting a 16-year high on fading bets for a rate cut today. We might not even get one. But what's more important is whether the Federal Reserve continues to project three rate cuts for 2026 as well. If that doesn't happen, then again the markets are going to experience a lot of volatility. So lots happening today, and lots on the cards, and we will have a decision at 7 p.m. UK time. But what's more important is going to be Jay Powell's press conference soon after, starting 7:30 p.m. UK time, in which the investors are going to look for his tone and whether this is going to be a hawkish rate cut or not, and what he's going to say about the prospects for future rate cuts. In the meantime, the markets are sort of holding steady. Bitcoin, which had shot up to 94,500, which we had said that it would, has now dropped to 92,500, but again almost holding steady. Uh, the like I said, the bond markets are climbing. The yields are rising, and as a result of that, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have both dipped in the last hour or so. The euro is strengthening against the US dollar, possibly because of the prospect of rate cuts, but even that is fluctuating because if there isn't a rate cut, then the US dollar will strengthen. Gold prices are also holding steady, waiting for a reaction from the markets, and oil is trying to make a recovery after recent drop in view of the Russia-Ukraine peace talks. So, big day today, lots happening. We are looking at an eventful day today, and this is going to be the first in many years where there is going to be significant members of the Federal Reserve dissenting from the majority opinion, which hasn't happened in the last many years. So let's see what the outcome is, how it goes. My prediction is that the markets are going to get a rate cut. There will be a rate cut today. However, it's going to be a hawkish rate cut, and the Federal Reserve is going to project two, not three rate cuts for 2026. That is my prediction. And we're not going to get another rate cut after today until about March or April, or perhaps even May. So that is my prediction. Let's see how it works out. We'll keep you posted. Hope you have a wonderful evening, and we'll be back with more tomorrow.